Okay, I'm going to show you how to do the standardization calibration for pH meter. First of all, you tare, right? And then when you put this one, you start and you make a tare. So it becomes 0, right? So strictly 1 gram of water is 1 ml. 1 ml of water is 1 gram. So you see this thing? This is 250. Because I'm going to do this calibration, it asks for 250 ml solutions. So I'm going to dissolve this into 250 ml solution. But you see this measuring cup, even though it's around 250, right? It is only 219. That means this is not accurate. Okay, most of the time it's possible because this is not the scientific equipment. So it's best to use the weighing machine. I need 250 gram. Okay, now I have 253 gram. I need to adjust it. So I remove the water. Okay, now it's 250.1. It's good enough. You may have a question. How do you know the weighing machine is okay? Okay, now I have another weighing machine. Okay, and here, put it here. 310.2. So you see, this is 59.5. It's 59.5. That means this measuring cup weighs 59.5. So you can make a calculation. 310.2 minus 59.5. How much is that? Okay, let me do that. 310.2 minus 59.5. So it's close, it's very close. That's the best method I can have. Do you understand what I'm saying? Because all these are not scientific equipment, so this is one of the ways that you can get a very close approximation to the actual volume that you need, 250 ml. Because if you just follow the cup, you see the measuring cup, I think most of you never think that, oh, my measuring cup is not accurate. Do you understand what I'm saying? You see, this is more than 250, but it only takes the weight of 250.1. Okay? So I'm going to dissolve this standard buffer powder in 250 ml, which is 250 gram of water. You may ask what kind of water. I use reverse osmosis water, or you can use distilled water. So these are the buffer salt. It's a standardized buffer salt. And you dissolve them completely. Okay, completely. Okay, did I? So you see 0, and then stir it. Okay, wait until it's completely dissolved, then it becomes our first standardized solution for pH 4.01. So I repeated the experiment. Measured 250 ml of water, which is equivalent to 250. Actually, the accuracy, you know, is like 0.1. So it cannot be absolutely accurate, but it's very, very close already. This is 310. Do a calculation. 310 minus 59.7. It's pretty close, right? Yeah. So this is 250, and I'm going to dissolve this standard buffer salt for this. And if you don't have a glass rod, you can use a ceramic. Okay, this is not the ideal, but households wise, usually, you know, you don't have much choice. So I make sure these two standard solution, the salts are completely dissolved, no visible particles. Okay, then I'm going to calibrate it on this. Put it here and wait. Until it stabilizes. You follow the instruction. You just follow instruction from the manufacturer until it stabilizes. Okay, so this is 6.86. So I rinse the same meter. Okay, I wash it off it. Rinse it completely. Rinse it completely. Okay. Then you follow instructions. Okay. Wipe. Okay. So calibrate here. Wait until it stabilizes. Okay. Press. Okay, 4.01, right? Okay, that's the end. Okay, I have another pen. See whether it stabilizes. Okay, so repeat. Yeah. So I rinse it already. Wait until it stabilizes. Stabilized already, right? Okay, done.